So guys, this is my second YouTube tutorial. I have a live model this time doing my makeover, and I primed her face and moisturized her face with MAC moisturizer and primer off camera. I also started filling in her eyebrows, and now I'm just going over them. I use Bakerie and dark brown brownies to fill in her eyebrows, and I use MAC concealer in NW47 to conceal under and above her eyebrows. For eyeshadow, I use Morphe Bronze Mocha palette. I use the shades Better and Bots. The pigment, which is the glitter that I use to create this bomb look, was J. La Rue pigment in Melanin Mermaid. And the eyeliner I used was from Maybelline, the black gel eyeliner. And I used that on the top and bottom lashes. I also used the shade Thief from the Morphe Bronze palette in her outer corners. And here I'm just packing on the pigment by J. La Rue Cosmetics called Melanin Mermaid. For mascara, I use Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt by Maybelline. For her foundation, I use Maybelline Fit Me Poreless in the shade Deep Golden. Highlighted with NYX shade 7.5 and set with Sacha Buttercup. To contour, I use Black Opal in the shade Suede Mocha and Morphe Romance Duo palette. I highlighted using the Fenty Trophy Wife on her cheeks, nose, cupid's bow, and eyebrows. I set her entire face with MAC Skin Finish Powder in Deepest Dark. For blush, I used the Morphe Trio Blush Palette and the shade was Edgy. For her lips, I used NYX in the shade Espresso lip liner, and I also used Anastasia Beverly Hills in the lip gloss shade Moon Jelly. For her lashes, I use Sephora brand in the style 03. Here I'm just going over everything, doing the finishing touches, and she's almost done. And I set her face with Pure Bliss. It's a natural setting spray. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my second YouTube video. It only gets greater and better from here. But as you can see, this look came out flawless. She really enjoyed it and she was happy for her makeover. I also have some bloopers, so check them out.
She said I'm the only one person who do her eyebrows like how she want them.
I be telling my cousin to do my eyebrows like this, and she never come out like this.
You hear that, camera?